Dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about insurance exam. Keep watching this video for complete information. In life insurance exam, total questions will be 50, total marks is 50, duration 60 minutes, description. Exam is of 1 hour and no negative marking for any questions. Solve all questions within a 60 minutes. Take a time to solve questions, and if you don't know answer, skip question and solve next question. And after completing 50 questions, come back to skipped questions. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following events make us anxious and afraid? Option A, fire. Option B, flood. Option C, earthquake. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Question number 2. The award by ombudsman are to be made within a period of from the date of receipt of complaints. Option A, 1 month. Option B, 2 months. Option C, 3 months. Option D, 4 months. Right answer is 3 months. Option C. Question number 3. When one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of the other to such act, he is said to make an option A, offer. Option B, acceptance. Option C, demand. Option D, proposal. Right answer is A, offer. Question number 4. A person postponed his consumption. Option A, to save for the future. Option B, as he has surplus income. Option C, to donate. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option A, to save for the future. Question number 5. Unit link plan provides option A, high competitive yield. Option B, low competitive yield. Option C, stable competitive yield. Option D, mere financial security. Right answer is A, high competitive yield. Question number 6. What are the elements to be considered for setting the traditional life insurance policies? Option A, mortality. Option B, interest and reserve and bonus loading. Option C, management expenses. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 7. What are the types of hazard the underwriters look for? Option A, health hazard. Option B, occupational hazard. Option C, moral hazard. Option D, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 8. What are the types of risk classification? Option A, standard lives. Option B, preferred risks. Option C, substandard lives and declined lives. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 9. Mahesh has bought a policy with a critical illness rider. He has made absolute assignment in favor of Karan. Mahesh suffers a heart attack and a claim of rupees 50,000 under critical rider illness rider. Option A, Mahesh. Option B, Karan. Option C, payment will be shared between Mahesh and Karan. Right answer is option B, Karan. Payment will be shared to Mr. Karan. Question number 10. Which documents provides an evidence of the contract? Option A, premium receipt. Option B, policy documents. Option C, proposal form. Option D, certificate of insurance. Right answer is option B, policy documents. Question number 11. Which of the following statement is true in respect of insurance? Option A, insurance is process sharing of losses of many by few. Option B, insurance is a process of sharing of losses of few by many. Option C, insurance is a process of measuring human values. Option D, insurance is a process of saving many lives. Right answer is option B, insurance is a process of sharing of losses of few by many. Question number 12. What is the fee charged for filing a complaint and appeal in district forum or state commission or national commission? Option A, rupees 50. Option B, rupees 100. Option C, rupees 200. Option D, no fees charged. Right answer is option D, no fee charged. Question number 13. To escalation HLV net earning is calculated by option A, adding all the income of the future years. Option B, all more income less the amount required to be spent on sale. Option C, discounting the more income less the expenses using an appropriate interest rates. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 14. One should always go for cash planning because option A, to establish a reserve for the unexpected or emergency needs. Option B, to know the exact amount required for life insurance. Option C, to save upon the taxes payable. Option D, to diversify one's investment. Right answer is option A, to establish a reserve for the unexpected or emergency needs. Question number 15. Beneficiaries under MWP Act can be which of the following? Option A, wife alone. Option B, wife and one or more children. Option C, one or more children. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. One cannot place an exact value on dash because one cannot predict what will happen in future. Option A, assets. Option B, liabilities. Option C, bonus. Option D, surplus. Right answer is option B, liabilities. Question number 17. Choose the incorrect statement. Option A, on the loss of policy document, policyholders has to submit policy loss questionnaire. Option B, policyholder has to pay policy preparation charges for duplicate policy. Option C, policyholder is not issued duplicate policy till her bring court order. Right answer is option C. Policyholder is not issued duplicate policy till he brings court order. Question number 18. Which of the following is an example of moral hazard? Option A, stunt artist dies while performing a stunt. Option B, a person drinking copious amount of alcohol because he is insured. Option C, insured defaulting on premium payments. Option D, proposer lying on policy documents. Right answer is option B, a person drinking copious amount of alcohol because of he is insured. Question number 19. In which year Bhavishya Arogya policy was introduced? Option A, 1990. Option B, 1987. Option C, 1994. Option D, 1987. Right answer is option A, 1990. Question number 20. Critical illness benefit policies are sold as riders by dash in India. Option A, health insurance. Option B, general insurance. Option C, life insurance. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option C, life insurance. Question number 21. GIBNA Act was passed in which of the following year? Option A, 1970. Option B, 1956. Option C, 1953. Option D, 1972. Right answer is option D, 1972. Question number 22. IRDA stipulates the turnaround time TAT for various services to be offered an insurance company to the consider is a part of. Option A, IRDA 1999. Option B, IRDA 2000. Option C, IRDAI 2001. Option D, IRDAI Protection of Policyholders Interest Regulations 2002 is the right answer. Option D, IRDAI Protection of Policyholders Interest Regulation 2002 is the right answer. Question number 23. Dash refers to transfer of all right and remedies with respect to the subject matter of insurance from insured to insurer. Option A, contribution. Option B, subrogation. Option C, co-insurance. Option D, right transfer. Right answer is option B, subrogation. Question number 24. Which kind of returns would be more desirable while investing? Option A, 10% taxable and non-marketable. Option B, 9% tax-free and non-marketable. Option C, 8.5% tax-free and marketable. Option D, 9% non-taxable and marketable. Right answer is option C, 8.5% tax-free and marketable. Question number 25. Select the odd man out. Option A, term plan. Option B, universal life insurance plan. Option C, unit link insurance plan. Option D, variable insurance plan. Right answer is option A, term plan. Question number 26. What are the factors on which the expenses and safety margin are equally apportioned? Option A, type of plan. Option B, age. Option C, term. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 27. If complex language is used to word a certain policy document and it has given rise to an ambiguity, how will it generally be considered? Right answer is option A, in favor of insured. Question number 28. Why are proposals accepted without medical examination? Option A, it saves lot of time. Option B, it saves the cost of paying the doctor. Option C, it is the rule to accept the customer on his face value. Option D, the loss suffered by the insurer an account of extra death claim is lesser than the cost of paying the doctor. Right answer is option D. The loss suffered by the insurer on account of extra death claim is lesser than the cost of paying the doctor. Question number 29. The ESI scheme was introduced for option A government employees only, option B blue collared workers of former private sector, option C white collared officers, option D army, defense, police. Right answer is option B blue collared workers of former private sector. Question number 30. As for health insurance standardization, insurer must bear dash of hospitalization cost. Option A is 0.25%, option B 0.5, option C 1, option D 1.5. Right answer is option B 0.5. Question number 31. Which of the following is not related to stakeholder in claim process? Option A customer, option B insurance agent or broker, option C human resource department, option D providers. Right answer is option C human resource department. Question number 32. Who is the first stakeholder in claim process? Option A customer, option B insurance agent or broker, option C human resource department, option D providers. Right answer is option A customer. Question number 33. The health insurance loss ratio of various insurers ranges from dash percent to above dash percent, with major part of the market at above 100% loss ratio. Option A 65% to 120%, option B 60% to 100%, option C 50% to 150%, option D 55 to 110%. Right answer is option A 65% to 120%. Question number 34. The claim under indemnity policy could be a option A cashless claim, option B reimbursement claim, option C general claim, option D both A and B. Right answer is option D both A and B. Question number 35. Which of the following relates to cashless claim? Option A. The customer does not pay the expenses at the time of admission of treatment. Option B. The network hospital provides the service based on a pre-approval from the insurer or TPA and later submits the documents to the insurer for settlement of the claim. Right answer is option C both A and B. Question number 36. Who are the parties to the insurance contract? Option A insurer and IRDA, option B insurer and government, option C insurer and policyholder, option D agent and policyholder. Right answer is option C insurer and policyholder. Question number 37. When the policy is revived with certain changes, in term of policy it is known as dash. A ordinary revival, option B special revival, option C low income revival, option D installment revival. Right answer is option B special revival. Question number 38. What does the ULIP stand for? Option A United Life Insurance Plan, option B United Life Investment Plan, option C Unit Linked Insurance Plan, option D Unit Life Insurance Plan. Right answer is option C Unit Linked Insurance Plan. Question number 39. Find the incorrect statement in respect of third party administration. Option A. They also sell health insurance policies. Option B. They provide administrative service to insurance companies. Option C. TPAs manage claim management service. Option D. TPA get fee for rendering. Right answer is option A. They also sell health insurance policies. Question number 40. Underwriting is process of A. Risk assessing, B. Risk selection, option C. Risk pricing, option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 41. Dash means any fault, imperfection, shortcoming and inadequacy in the quality, nature and manner of performance which is required to be maintained. Option A complaint, option B defect, option C service, option D all of the above. Right answer is option B defect. Question number 42. The agency appointment letter has to be dispatched to the agent within a option A 7 days, option B 10 days, option C 15 days, option D 30 days. Right answer is option A 7 days. Question number 43. Financial planning is a process through which one can chart a roadmap to meet which of the following needs. Option A expected, option B unexpected, option C unforeseen, option D only A and C. Right answer is option D only A and C. Question number 44. Policyholder gains by way of bonus depends on the which of the following factor? Option A, annual valuation of the funds, assets and liabilities. Option B, number of policies. Option C, experience of fund manager. Option D, number of lands. Right answer is option A, annual valuation of the funds, assets and liabilities. Question number 45. The premium rates are available in the form of rates that are available with insurance companies. Option A, charts. Option B, tables. Option C, graphs. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 46. The free look period or cooling off period in case of life insurance is dash days. Option A, 45 days. Option B, 30 days. Option C, 60 days. Option D, 15 days. Right answer is option D, 15 days. Question number 47. The person appointed by policyholder, if the nominee is minor, he is known as option A, appointee. Option B, assignee. Option C, loanee. Option D, legal hire. Right answer is option A, appointee. Question number 48. A death claim which occurred within 3 years from the date of commencement of the policy is called option A, non-early death claim. Option B, very early death claim. Option C, early death claim. Right answer is option C, early death claim. Question number 49. In health and personal accident insurance, the proposers dash has a material bearing on the risk. Option A, occupation. Option B, profession. Option C, business. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 50. Process adopted in underwriting is option A, alphabetical rating method. Option B, numerical rating method. Option C, alphanumeric rating method. Option D, A and B. Right answer is option B, numerical rating method. Disclaimer. This presentation is for educational purpose only. The author do not endorse or promote any product discussed herein. Dear friends, if you want PDF file, please comment below. Dear friends, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.